In a serene small town, Leo, a quiet and introspective boy, lived with his loving family. Life seemed peaceful and predictable until the day a tragic accident claimed his father's life. The world seemed to shift into a monochrome sadness, the vibrant laughter and joy that once filled Leo's home now replaced by a haunting silence. His mother, sharing in the devastating loss, cried frequently, and around them, the town shared in the collective mourning. With each passing day, the grief lingered, a steady but painful reminder of what had been lost. Leo's mornings became a heart-wrenching ritual as he glanced at his father's empty chair at the breakfast table. He missed his father's reassuring presence, the voice that once chased away all his doubts. Yet, amidst the desolation, a flicker of resolve began to kindle within Leo's heart. Seeking solace, Leo found himself by the sea, an expanse of nature that mirrored his inner turmoil. Standing on its shore, the rhythmic sound of the waves provided a meditative backdrop, each ebb and flow whispering the stories of countless sailors and wanderers that had passed before him. Here, by the water, Leo encountered an old man who seemed to understand the language of the sea. The old man's eyes held a wisdom that comforted Leo, as he spoke of life's unpredictable nature, paralleling it with the sea's temperament. "You have lost much, young one. I have seen hard times. Life is like the sea. Sometimes the sea is calm. Sometimes the sea is rough. But every day the sea still finds a way to be beautiful. Every day you must find a way to be strong," the old man advised gently. Leo pondered the old man's words deeply. It became a new ritual to visit the sea and reflect. Each visit was a step forward on his path to healing. He found that sharing his mother's burdens at home, whether helping in their garden or simply reminiscing fond memories, gradually eased the weight in his heart. They learned to relive happy moments, allowing warmth to seep back into their lives. The community, strong in its compassion, rallied around each other. In times of distress, they showed how unity can carry them through any storm, literal or metaphorical. One particular evening, as a storm raged, the townspeople banded together, sharing resources and companionship. In that moment of unity, Leo saw the town transform from a place of shared grief to one of shared hope. As weeks turned to months, Leo discovered the bittersweet nature of life, a tapestry woven with both shadow and light. He found writing offered a form of catharsis. Each written word, a step towards accepting and embracing his emotions. His journal became a testimony to his journey, filled with thoughts about the old man, the sea, and the hope he was slowly uncovering. Leo soon encountered Mark, a boy shadowed by the same grief he once bore alone. Recognizing the familiar pain, Leo offered Mark friendship and assurances of brighter days. "I know how you feel. I felt very sad, too. But you can be strong. You can find hope. I'll walk with you," Leo promised sincerely. Years passed, and Leo's understanding and resilience turned him into a beacon of hope. As a teacher, he shared his life's lessons with the children of the town. He taught them that life, much like the sea, contains both hardships and beauty, and that within every moment of darkness, a seed of light and hope awaits. The town, once heavy with sorrow, became stronger, its people more compassionate and resilient. They had learned from Leo's example that every hardship carries within it the kernel of strength and hope. The story of Leo's journey turned into a tale shared around dinner tables, a reminder that even in the shadow of loss, hope can guide us to brighter tomorrows.